Hello, Wade Murray, Delta Asphalt of Arkansas. I've been paving for Delta for over 25 years. I don't have to tell you guys that what we do for a living is dangerous. There's no doubt about it. It's why Colos and Delta are working hard toward Goal Zero. But we all do something every day that's equally dangerous for all of us. We all either drive or ride in a motor vehicle to and from work. We travel roads of various widths, intermingling with cars, passing, meeting each other within a mere few feet of one another. In our states, in 2016, in our states, Arkansas, Missouri, and Illinois, 2,552 people lost their lives on their roadways. That's 7 people a day in our states. That's 1 death every 3.5 hours in our states. In 2016, 37,461 people died in the United States. That's 102 deaths a day. That's about 4 deaths an hour. Of these deaths, 10,428 were not wearing their seatbelt. That's 28%. If 90% of the population would wear their seatbelt, it is said, studies suggest that it would save 4,200 lives a year. Studies also show that you can reduce your risk of being fatally injured or critically injured by as much as 45 to 50%. To reduce your chance of being fatally injured or critically injured, it's really very simple. All you have to do is simply buckle up.